Hello friends, welcome to Physics Universe. Now today our topic is Standard 12 Chapter 2 2.4 Potential due to an electric dipole. So our topic is 2.4. So first of all, to study this topic, first of all we draw this figure. Suppose here we have one positive Q charge. That positive charge have its midpoint O and another is negative charge. Clear? Okay, now suppose we have to find potential here at this point. So draw the line from positive Q to that P point, minus Q to that P point, minus Q to that P point, and from midpoint O to that P point. Clear? Okay. Now we know that the distance between two charges, positive and negative, that distance that we call it as 2a. Clear? So now from positive q charge to p point, let us we take that distance is vector r1. From negative q charge to that p point, let us we take it distance as vector r2. Clear? Okay. Now we know that if this whole distance is 2a, this will become a, similarly small a. Clear? Now we know that from the origin point, downward directions is a and upward direction is small a. Means we take downward direction as minus a एंड अपर डायरेक्शन इज प्लस है. जैसे कि हम लोग वाई डायरेक्शन में नेगेटिव वाई और पॉजिटिव वाई लेते, सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी हमने वैसे लिया. क्लियर? अब सपोज के P हमने बहुत लार्ज डिस्टेंस के लिए फाइंड किया, तो P अगर लार्ज डिस्टेंस है तो ये हमारा बन जाएगा एक ट्राइंगल. क्लियर? वो ट्राइंगल में ये जो एंगल है इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 90 डिग्री. तो 90 degree, that means this will become our hypotenuse. Clear? So this is r1, this is vector r2. Now vector r1 equation for this vector r1 will become is equal to vector r1 is equal to r square, sorry, r1 square is equal to, this is the distance we denote it as r, vector r. Clear? So vector r1 square is equal to r plus this a whole square. Clear? Okay. Now it equal to r square plus 2ra cos theta plus a square. Similarly, what about r2 square is equal to, again r2 square similar, r plus a square, but here we take it as negative, so I have to write here negative sign. So is equal to r square minus 2ra cos theta plus a square. Clear? So r1 square here, r2 square here. Now first of all, total potential at this point P, then I have to write V is equal to total potential. So first potential is due to plus Q charge, so K plus Q upon this distance, it is R1. Potential is a scalar quantity, so doesn't need that vector sign. Similarly, due to minus Q to that point P, so our distance will become minus kq upon r2. Clear? So common term kq common, 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Okay. Now is equal to, so here we have to find first r1 and similarly we have to find first r2, 1 upon r2. So from this equation r1 square and this equation r2 square, first we find r1 square. So to find r1 square, there is a r square here, so put here r square common, so r1 square is equal to r square common. So here 1 plus 2r cos theta, 1r cancel, so it will become 2a cos theta upon r, here plus a square upon r square. Clear? Now r square here, it is 1 plus 2a cos theta upon r plus a square upon r square. But here r is very much greater than a, so we have to neglect this a term. So a is very small, r is very big, so this ratio will become very small, that's why we have to neglect. So our equation will remain in this equation. Similarly, r2 square is equal to r square. Now here 1 minus 2a cos theta upon r, similarly plus a square upon r square. Again this will, here from this it will be neglected. Clear? Now r1 square, but we have to find 1 upon r1. So first of all we find here r1, so taking square root both the sides. So by taking square roots, r1 is equal to r, and this will become 1 plus 2a cos theta upon r raised to 1 by 2. Similarly for r2 is equal to r 1 minus 2a cos theta upon r, here power become 1 by 2. Clear? So here we left with these two equations r1 and r2, but we have to find reciprocal of r1. So 1 upon r1 is equal to 1 upon r into the bracket 1 plus 2a cos theta upon r raised to minus 1 by 2, and here 1 upon r2 is equal to 1 upon r 1 minus 2a cos theta upon r raised to minus 1 by 2. So clear? So now here minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, by polynomial equations we have to write into the second term, so this power is multiplied to the second term. Clear? In actual polynomial equations we left with infinite terms, but for the simplification of this equation we only take its second term, because further terms will be neglected because of high powers, and because their high powers their value is very small. Clear? So 1 upon r, here we left with 1 minus a cos theta upon r, because 2 will be cancelled out. So 1 upon here r2, here 1 upon r1 is equal to 1 upon r. So 1 minus minus plus a cos theta upon r. Clear? So we cleared 1 upon r1 and 1 upon r2. Now put this equation into this potential formula. So potential formula, so V is equal to kq into the bracket. Now 1 upon r put inside, so 1 upon r, again 1 upon r, so minus a cos theta upon r square. Clear? Okay, this will first term, and now minus again 1 upon r, again put it here, it will become again minus a cos theta upon r square. So 1 upon r will be cancelled out, so we have kq bracket minus 2a cos theta upon r square. Clear? So now k cube inside, so minus 2a cube into k into cos theta upon r square. Clear? So 2a cube, what is 2a cube here? So 2a cube is nothing but our p. What is p? P is called electric dipole moment. So here we left with pk cos theta upon r square. Clear? So here we left with this formula, v is equal to minus pk cos theta. Clear? So we know that kth formula, v is equal to minus p cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square. Okay, now cos theta. So cos theta is the angle between the here p and our displacement vector r. So we can write minus p is a vector quantity, so vector p dot r hat, clear, upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square. Clear? So we left with this equation. If we have to form this equation in the scalar form, so minus p upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square. Clear? Okay, here minus p, but in the book we get plus q plus p because of the orientation of positive charge and negative charge. Clear? So orientation of positive and negative charge are also important. So by this theta angle, if we put different angles here, then we get v different values. If theta is equal to 0, then we get p upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square. If we put 90 degree, then v will be 0. So different angles we get different values. Clear? So we get for orientation, two different opposite orientation, we get plus or minus p upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square. So this is the our final formula. Clear? Now here we importance, the 2 point we have to give 2 point importance, that v is totally depend upon the theta angle, which is theta angle. Theta is the angle between r and p. Clear? So theta angle is the angle between r and p. And second one, this is the first important point of this topic, and second important point is, if we have far distance, here we taken as a far distance, then electric potential due to electric dipole we get changes as 1 upon r square, because here in the final term we get 1 upon r square. But for near distances, this is for farther distances, but for nearer distances it changes as 1 upon r. Clear? So we know that. Okay, so thank you for today.